closing in on famous prime number conjecture, science, MSN, Hotmail, more, autos, my MSN, video, careers and jobs, personals, weather, Bellish, quotes, white pages, games, real estate, Wonderwall, horoscopes, shopping, yellow pages, local edition, traffic, feedback, maps and directions, travel, full MSN index, Bing, news.com, today, nightly news, rock center, meet the press, Dateline, MSNBC, breaking news, Newsvine, home, US, world, politics, business, sports, entertainment, health, tech, science, travel, local, weather, advertise vertical bracket ad choices, recommended, closing in on famous prime number conjecture, recommended, see the celestial show now or wait a decade, recommended, monster vortex formed to create more twister, recommended, satellites watch the march of deadly Oklahoma twisters from space. Header point top underscore header left curly bracket background image URL http://cdn.libpont.com/chrome/scenes-of-from-cheese/images/header.jpg=9139 right curly bracket. News from the biggest beat in the cosmos, going out 13.7 billion light years and taking in everything from astronomy to zoology. Join the adventure on Twitter and Facebook. About this blog archives. Email updates follow on Twitter, subscribe to RSS. 0 comments. Print. 38 minutes ago. Closing in on famous prime number conjecture. By Shy Goes Live Science. Infinity down, only 69,999,997 to go. New research has proved that prime numbers don't just disappear, as numbers get larger instead. There is an infinite number of prime numbers separated by a distance of at most 70 million. A new proof, accepted this month for publication in the journal Annals of Mathematics, takes the field one step closer to solving the twin prime conjecture, a famous mathematical idea that suggests the existence of an infinite number of prime numbers separated by a distance of 2, for example, the prime numbers 11 and 13, which are separated by 2. Prime numbers are those that are divisible by only themselves and 1. Advertise vertical bracket ad choices. Prior to this discovery, mathematicians suspected there were infinitely many twin primes, or prime numbers separated by 2, but proofs hadn't set bounds on how far apart primes could be separated. Left square bracket the 9 most massive numbers in existence right square bracket. It's a huge step forward in terms of showing that there are primes close together, said Daniel Goldstein, a mathematician at San Jose State University in California. It's a big huge step toward the twin prime conjecture. Other mathematicians also applauded the achievement, and its author, Yilin Zhang, a mathematician unknown in the field. Basically, no one knows him, said Andrew Granville, a number theorist at the Université de Montréal, as quoted by the Simons Foundation. Now, suddenly, he has proved one of the great results in the history of number theory. Simple observation. Tough solution. In the 1800s, mathematician Alphonse de Polignac noticed a strange trend in prime numbers. Though so-called twin primes get less common, as numbers get bigger, de Polignac became convinced that there were infinitely many twin primes. But proving it was another matter. These problems are very attractive to people, because the problems themselves are not difficult to understand, but the solution, the proof, could be very difficult, said Zhang of the University of New Hampshire. Many attempts relied in finding primes using sieve methods, which essentially involves crossing out numbers that have larger and larger factors to find primes, for instance, crossing out all the numbers divisible by 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, and so on. All of the small primes can be